and welcome to Crypto TV. I am your news host Parvati Nirvan and let's go through the day of crypto world with English News Bulletin. CryptoWire, a crypto super app which also includes the channel Crypto TV, has launched India's first index of cryptocurrencies, IC15. The IC15 index is aimed at helping investors track the performance of top 15 widely traded liquid cryptocurrencies listed on leading crypto exchanges across the globe. To track the IC15 index and its constituents, download the CryptoWire app from the Play Store. Bitcoin Soars passed $44,000 on easing Russia-Ukraine tension. New York Stock Exchange files a Metaverse trademark to trade NFTs. Warren Buffett invests $1 billion in Bitcoin-friendly Neobank. Mastercard expands consulting with crypto-dedicated practices. Hive blockchain third quarter revenue jumps fivefold from previous year. Binance removes its name from its blockchain ecosystem. Maverick protocol raises $8 million in funding round led by Pantera Capital. Pakistan says cryptocurrencies risk outweigh its benefits. Bitcoin and major altcoins rose after Russia said it was receptive to a diplomatic solution to tensions on the Ukraine border. Russia said it was ending some military drills, signaling a possible easing of the crisis in Washington. The Kremlin recalled some forces deployed near Ukraine to their bases after a build-up of Moscow's army around Ukrainian borders spurred fears of an invasion. US benchmark crude oil prices slumped 3.6%. Oil prices have been volatile amid tensions over Russia potentially invading neighboring Ukraine. Russia is a major energy producer, and military action that disrupts supplies could jolt markets and global industries. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, traded at $44,125, up nearly 4% over the last 24 hours. Ether, the second largest crypto by market cap, was trading at $3,150, up nearly 8% over the same time period. The global crypto market capitalization rose over 5% to $2 trillion over the last 24 hours. Investors, however, remain concerned about an increase in the US Producer Price Index (PPI), which hit 9.8% in January, triggering fresh fears of a steep Federal Reserve rate hike. New York Stock Exchange (NYSE) has filed a new trademark application to register the term NYSE for several crypto and financial products and services, including downloadable virtual goods, non-fungible tokens, and more. In a tweet, Trademark attorney Michael Condraduis revealed that the NYSE had filed an application on February 10 and that the stock exchange is coming to the Metaverse. According to the application, NYSE has plans to trademark NYSE for NFTs, cryptocurrencies, digital collectibles, and marketplaces to trade and exchange them. Earlier this month, fast food giant McDonald's filed 12 trademarks with reference to virtual restaurants, symbols, cafes, and other virtual services. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway dumped a portion of its Visa and Mastercard holdings and increased exposure in Neobank, the largest fintech bank in Brazil that's also popular among the country's Bitcoin investors. In its recent securities filing, the industrial conglomerate disclosed that it has purchased $1 billion worth of Neobank Class A stock in fourth quarter of 2021. On the other hand, Berkshire Hathaway sold $1.8 billion and $1.3 billion worth of Visa and Mastercard stocks, respectively, signaling a shift away from the credit companies to gain exposure in their fintech rivals. The veteran investor is popular for his cautious approach to investing, particularly in the market's hottest sector, such as fintech. In the past, Warren Buffett had ridiculed emerging decentralized finance solutions like Bitcoin as an asset that does not create anything. But Berkshire's new stake in Neobank shows that Buffett has been softening up to fintech lately. Mastercard Inc. said it will hire more than 500 young professionals this year in an effort that will include launching consulting practices focused on cryptocurrencies and open banking. The firm's consulting effort will target banks and merchants that need assistance when adopting crypto. This includes helping create crypto-enabled loyalty programs and developing strategies for crypto and NFT integration. Apart from this, Mastercard will use its partnerships with digitally native firms to offer crypto solutions and help businesses enter new markets. The New York-based payment giant said it was testing a platform that allows central banks to perform research, testing, and consultation with experts in payment systems, regulation, and governance before launching their CBDCs. Crypto miner Hive blockchain said fiscal third quarter revenue climbed almost 400% to a record $68.2 million compared with the year earlier period. The Vancouver-based miner's net income from continuing operations jumped to $64.2 million in the quarter ended December 31st from $17.2 million the year before. The gain was driven by an increase in cryptocurrency prices, the company said in a statement, as well as the acquisition of the facility in Quebec and Atlanta. Hive's Bitcoin production was up 12% in December from the month before. In January, production jumped another 8% to 264 Bitcoin. Hive has opted to hold onto most of the cryptocurrency stash of 1,813 Bitcoin and 23,920 Ether. It sold some Ether to finance chip upgrades. Crypto exchange Binance has renamed its blockchain ecosystem in a move that could suggest that the company does not want to be directly associated with the blockchain and its token. Its blockchain ecosystem, previously known as Binance Smart Chain, has now been renamed to BNB Chain, and its token BNB, once known as Binance Coin, has now been rechristened as Build and Build. Binance claimed that its blockchain had grown beyond the company and a real representation of its token BNB would be Build and Build and not Binance Coin, Sami Karim, BNB Chain ecosystem coordinator, said in an interview. The official announcement comes a week after Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao tweeted that BNB stands for Build and Build, that is, build the community and let the community build. The removal of the Binance name will provide BNB Chain with more opportunities and freedom to seek innovation, said the company. The BNB Chain will also become multi-chain, it added. Maverick, a decentralized crypto derivatives protocol, has raised $8 million in its latest funding round led by Pantera Capital, which established the first ever crypto fund in the US back in 2013. Other participants include Autonomy, Circle Ventures, CMT Digital, Coral Ventures, Gemini Frontier Fund, Spartan Group, Tron Foundation, and many more. Maverick Protocol will use the money to launch its mainnet later this year, bringing its automated liquidity placement mechanism and open asset listing model to market in the process. Maverick will use the new capital to build its core business and machine learning teams to scale its protocol. Despite overall market slump in January, over $5 billion of venture capital funds continued to pour into the crypto businesses, setting a record of a new all-time monthly high. That's all for today's news. For daily news and updates, keep watching Crypto TV. I am your news host Parvati Nirvan, signing off for now. See you tomorrow, same time. Have a wonderful day forward.